Welcome to the first annual Williams Airplane War. To my right, I have Cameron, the masterful James Williams. And he has a flying machine of aeronautic proportions. Let me see that flying machine that you've got there. Don't throw it yet. What do you got? Let's get a close-up of that. Oh, a bug just flew in my ear. That's weird. Cameron's Aeronautics. And we have Miss Jamie Dinwiddie. What do you got there, Jamie? All right, she's got something that's going to slice through the air, and she's looking quite smart in her black aeronautic gear. Okay. And we have Caleb Whirlwind Williams. Caleb, what do you got there? Let me see that plane. Let me get a close-up of it. Hold it still, boy. Hold it still. All right. Looks like a Concorde 747. And finally, we have Colin, the Jazzy Jeff Joseph Williams. Let me see what's... Oh, my gosh. What's that look? What's on his face? Oh, my goodness gracious. His plane is whooping his butt. Let me see what you got there. Let me see that plane there. All right, that's an extreme close-up. Yes, Cameron. Ah, all righty then. Okay, well, it's not a flipping contest. It's an airplane. Oh, that's awfully nice. That's awfully nice. Okay, everybody, we're going to get ready for this epic airplane battle war.
Hold on, kid. Let me fix that one. Is it the hardest or farthest?
The farthest. The first contest will be to determine whose airplane goes the farthest.
Come on, let's just start it.
On your mark, get set, fly! Oh! Okay, wait a minute. Let's see who won. Who's went the farthest? Okay, wait. Okay, so first was everybody stand by their plane. Everyone stand by their plane. Stand by your... Why is Miss Jamie's plane moving?
Cheater!
Colin, raise your hand, son. Colin has won the first round. And who's second? What the... Oh my gosh! Everybody's... Wait a minute! We have a phenomenon over here. We have a crash landing. Caleb's plane has landed. Awesome! Okay, let's go back to the second round. The next round will be tricks. Okay, somebody hold this so that I can... I want to do... I want to... Get your hand over here. There you go. All right, I want to throw it. I want to throw my plane.
Go ahead and I need to do something really quick.
That wasn't really that good, was it?
That wasn't really that good, was it?
I'm going to get another plane.
Okay, I'm still gonna win. I've got the best look to win.
Oh, I got a cool plane.
Dang it!
I want to use this plane. This is Cameron James' plane. I want to use this one. Ah!
Oh,
yeah,
snap.
that is a cool plane.
This is... You need a trick like this.
Ah! Ah!
Perfect.
When planes
Winning.
attack, I'm going to get that plane.
Godzilla. I'm Godzilla. Daddy, look. It's like you're. It's like you go at physical airplane and Godzilla up here.
Watch how far
Godzilla.
this is going to go really far.
Daddy.
Oh, that is so cool. Come back, come back, come back, come back. Look at that perfect landing. That's what's up.
Here we go. Perfect landing. Okay, that was
Perfect crash landing. Look at that.
Watch
Now
this.
that is a cool plane.
I just looked at it and landed perfect.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Godzilla.
Oh, wow.
What?
Oh, wow.
I want a different plane. Godzilla.
You want a different plane?
I can do it.
Oh, okay.
Godzilla. On the wind.
What? Whoa, whoa, you're too fast.
Dad.
Yeah.
Did you get your plane?
I'm getting ready to get up on a different plane. Can you come make him a different one?
Oh yeah.
Make him a different one. This is a nice
Dad, watch this. Hey Dad, watch this.
Whoa, whoa.
Perfect landing. Daddy, watch this.
Man, it's a flip.
Watch
It's a
this,
boomerang
Dad.
plane.
Watch, he's gonna come back.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That was a perfect landing.
Watch this. Godzilla! Dang it.
Watch this.
Can you come make me a plane? Sure, hold on.
Those things fly far. Don't throw planes at people.
I didn't need that.
Ow! What the? Easy machine. Alright, that's a nice thing that she's doing there. Get it together. Whoa! That was cool! Whoa! Whoa! That thing flies too cool! Alright,
Okay, I'm gonna make a plane glider. I'm making me a plane glider.
Nice! That's the best lander out here. That plane flies so smooth. Here we go. That plane is too smooth. That one is too. Alright, this. Ah!
Daddy,
Yeah,
this one's good.
I know. That plane is smooth. It's just light. It has perfect landings every time. It doesn't slip over. Here we go. Ah!
Daddy, you know the trick to make it glide better?
What? Nice. Alright, how about this? That's important for me. I'm going to stick to my randomness.
Oh,
That's
no.
not working.
Daddy,
Yeah,
are you watching this paper?
yeah. Those are going to make the heavier planes. It's like not doing what it was doing before. You wore long pants. You were smart.
Daddy, are we allowed to use yes.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead. I brought 2 seats for each one of you.
For me too?
Yeah, for you too. Oh. Oh. He is a ball of energy. We got living, breathing, straighten it out. That plane is so cool.
You like that?
Huh?
You like that?
And there's Miss Jamie.
Caleb, watch this. This is your plane, Caleb, watch it. That's Caleb's trick plane.
That's a cool trick plane.
Try it.
Here, Caleb, you try it.
Wow. Is that an ice blower?
Ow! What the?
Making one out of thick paper. Boy, this is going to be fun.
Yeah, that thick paper is going to be good.
I think I should make a knife throw out of this thick paper.
All right, so now.
I got mine.
Nice.
I got mine.
Is that a new technique in plane? Okay, let Colin help you.
Caleb, didn't I just make you a new plane?
Crash landed.
I don't like it. I just mailed Caleb a plane, now he doesn't like it.
He wants one with heavy paper. That's cool. Make the one with heavy paper.
Well, hold on, Caleb.
Ouch.